Now we are going to discuss about new wing creation. Wing means it is nothing like but a branch. One school may contain many number of branches. Each branch is like one wing. Means one school may contain many number of wings. Now we are going to create one new wing. In masters we have wing master. In my school we can create a school and in wing master we can create wing. Now we are going to create new wing. Here we can see these are all the wings which we have previously created. To add new wing, we can click on add record. Then new screen for adding wing will open. Here we have school code. School code means for which school we are going to create wing. That we need to select here. Wing name affiliated to. Affiliated to means whether it is belongs to CBSE or SSC or ICSE. That we need to choose here. Next, mobile number regarding to that particular wing, email, country, state, city, district. These are all the fields we have. Here we have number of users is there, means how many users we need to create for that particular wing, that we need to enter here. Means for one wing there is a restriction of 3 users or 2 users or 4 users. Like that we can say create here. Display name. What is the display name of that wing? This is for visual purpose only. In reports, all this display name will come. Wing type, whether it is co-education or boys separate or girls separate, that's we need to choose here. And next type means whether it is school or college or institute, that we need to select here. These are all the fields in which we have in wing master. Now we are going to create a new wing. I am selecting Crescent School. Wing name is Gunturu Demo. It is under CBSE affiliated to. Mobile number email, next zip code, address, country India, Andhra Pradesh, Guntur, number of users 5, address, display name. Whether it may be different to wing name or it may be same, that's user dependency we can select. Wing type is co-education. Wing, it is a school. Here if you have the image of that particular wing, that we can choose that image also. Next, save. Wing was saved. The wing code is AP, it is a state, Guntur is a district, Guntur is a city, and next it is wing 31st wing, means already we have created 30 wings. It is 31st wing, so 30 wing 31st it came. Okay. Wing was saved successfully. Now after wing we can create one user. For creating user, we have in security master, we have user management. In user management, we can create users. Here we have different tabs. Users, roles, groups, add user, user wing role. These are all the tabs we have here. In users we can see what are the users we have, and if we want to add new user we can click on add user. If we want to add wing for user, then we can create user wing roles. In roles we can create new role and other user role. In other user role we can give role for the users. These are all the options we have. In roles we have admission coordinator, class teacher, school admin, school super admin. These are all the roles which presently we have. Now we are going to add one new user. Add user. Here we have user's first name, last name, email, mobile number, username and password. Username and password for accessing the application. Next, culture and languages means here we have English, Telugu, Hindi, Tamil. These are all the language currently we are having. Here wing name. Wing name is for which particular wing we are assigning the user. We are selecting here. And here we have start date and end date. Means start user permissions. Between these dates only the user can access the application. If dates are exceeded, then application won't access. Then we want to update the dates. Username is Gunduru Demo. Password. Confirm password. Both password and confirm password need to be saved. Cultures, ENUS, English. Start date from today to July 14th to August 31st I am giving. Wing name. Here we have previously created Gunturu demo wing. So I am using this particular wing. And then click on continue. If we click on continue, then user will successfully create. Saved successfully. User created. After user creation, now we need to go for user wing role. In user wing role, we can give roles for the users wing wise. I am selecting Gunturu demo user, wing also Gunturu demo, role. Here we have super admin, school super admin, admission coordinator, class teacher, principal, fee collection, reader, school admin. These are all the main roles we have. Means if we give super admin, then all the tasks and permissions will come for the particular user. If we give school super admin, this user management, role permissions, these are not applicable for school super admin. Only some limited permissions will come. If we create reader, if we give reader role, then only they can view the data. They don't insert, they don't update, they cannot access the application. They can only view the data with reader permission. If school admin means only fee collection, attendance, only these are all the permissions they have. Based on the roles, here we have the permissions and task. I am giving super admin. If we give super admin, it will come all the permissions will have super admin. App target, my school go, and then click on continue. Now I have created one user and I have assigned super admin role for Gunturu demo wing. Now we can see Menu permissions. In menu permissions, we will allocate permissions for the user. I am Gunturu demo user, school, Vikrasant school. Under Vikrasant school, we have Gunturu demo. Wait. First, we are giving all masters, all applications we have given. All permissions we are assigning for Gunturu demo user. And then click on allocate permission. It was saved successfully. Now we need to create the cache and log out to the application and again log in with the new username and password. Now in masters we have admin cache. In admin cache we need to select the checkbox and then click on clear. This cache is for local memory. We need to clear the local memory before login with a new user. Now I am clicking on sign out. And then I am again login with a new user, Gunturu demo. And password is also. It has successfully logged in, and these are all the menus we have assigned for Gunturu demo user. Okay, all permissions have came here. You can see in class master, save, clear, all permissions came. Now once again I am sign out and sign in with old user. We see school demo is old user. Now I am once again login with old user. Now I am changing the user roles. For changing user role in security module under user management, user wing role is there. Now I am selecting Gunturu demo user, wing also Gunturu demo role. School super admin I am giving, and app target is my school go. And then click on continue. Now once again we need to clear the cache. After any menu permissions changing, after any new role saving, then we need to clear this admin cache. And then click on clear. Click on sign out. Then once again we can log in with Gunturu demo user. Now you can see with the school super admin, only from class master we are getting screens. School and wing only for school super admin. For school super admin, these are not accessible. And in security also, only we have user management and menu permissions. Permissions was decreased from super admin to school super admin. Okay. Now once again we are login with old user. Now we can deallocate some permissions and we can check. We have application module permissions also is there for Gunturu demo user now. Then we can again deallocate this application. Then it won't come in menu. I can sign out and sign in with Gunturu demo user. This is school demo, old user. And for deallocating the permissions, you can select menu permissions. Select user. This is in edit. This is for new user permission. To update or delete any permissions, in here we need to select the user. Gunturu demo. Wing name is Gunturu demo. Now you can see these are all the permissions I have. Now I am deallocating application module. Entire application module I am removing, and then exam master I am removing, timetable I am removing. These three are I am removing, and then click on allocate permission. It was saved successfully. Now once again we need to clear the admin cache. After clearing admin cache, we need to log out. And then log in with new user, Gunturu demo user. See, now we can see application module it was removed, exam module it was removed, timetable it was removed. In this way we can allocate and deallocate permissions for user.